Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sepi Food channel. Today we're going to make one of the most delicious and popular dishes together, Uzbek Plov. It's a fragrant and elegant dish that is both easy to prepare and has an amazing taste. So if you're ready, let's go to the tutorial and get started together. To begin, take 2 fresh onion and finely dice it into small cubes. Then saute it over medium heat until it becomes golden and fragrant, preparing it for the Uzbek Plov. Once the onions become soft and golden, it's time to add the pieces of meat. Sauté the meat well with the onions until all sides are nicely browned and develop a rich, delicious flavor. This step helps the meat become more tender and flavorful, creating the perfect base for our delicious Uzbek Plov. Once the meat changes color and is lightly browned, add some turmeric and mix well. Let the beautiful aroma and golden color of the turmeric blend with the meat, enhancing the flavor of the dish. While the meat and onions are sautéing together, take a few fresh carrots and cut them into thin strips to prepare them for the next step of the cooking process. Now add the thinly sliced carrots to the meat and onion mixture. Sauté all the ingredients together until the carrots become slightly tender and add a beautiful color, aroma, and flavor to the dish. This step gives our Uzbek Plov a more appealing look and a richer taste. After sautéing the ingredients for a while and allowing their flavors to develop, it's time to add the spices. Add some black pepper and cumin to the meat, onion, and carrot mixture. Then stir well so the warm and aromatic spices blend into the ingredients and enhance the overall flavor of the dish. Now it's time to add water to the pot. Add enough water to allow the meat to cook properly. Cover the pot and let the meat simmer over low heat for 2 to 3 hours until it becomes tender and soft, allowing all the flavors to blend beautifully together. To garnish the dish and make it more beautiful and fragrant, take a bunch of parsley and chop it finely. After about 2 hours, once the meat is completely tender and cooked, it's time to add the rice. Carefully pour the rice into the pot and let it steam in the same flavorful meat broth, allowing it to absorb all the wonderful flavors from the ingredients. To make the Uzbek Plov even more aromatic and delicious, place a whole head of garlic in the center of the rice. As it cooks, the garlic will release its beautiful aroma throughout the dish. Just remember one important tip. After adding the rice, do not stir the rice and ingredients at all. This helps the rice cook perfectly and keeps the beautiful texture and appearance of the plov. After about 40 minutes, once the rice has fully steamed and absorbed all the wonderful flavors of the meat and other ingredients, our delicious Uzbek plov is ready. Now you can serve this fragrant and elegant dish and enjoy its amazing taste with your loved ones. I hope you try making this delicious and special dish at home and enjoy the amazing aroma and flavor of Uzbek plov with your family and loved ones. Enjoy! To watch and learn delicious recipes from different countries, make sure to subscribe to Sepi Food and check out our other videos as well. Thank you for joining me on this flavorful journey, and I hope you try making this amazing dish at home. See you in the next